Right here we have a 2013 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 base trim work truck. It's gonna get a muffler delete. I'm not gonna even do a before sound because obviously they sound quiet like they're supposed to, but you know what we do here. We don't do what we're supposed to do. Told the guy I might as well throw a tip on to make the tailpipe look a little better, a little beefier. 5-inch tip, just slides on. I believe it's 3 to 5. This bad boy is going away. It's a giant tank of a muffler. It's a bit dirty underneath because this used to be a farm truck. It's going to be far from a farm truck. Ain't gonna be a farm truck anymore. Mr. Dirty Muffler. Served me well. Look at this juicy can. Oh my goodness. Big difference. Damn. Your actions are recorded on video. Freaking work truck. Straight pipe. Well, it's not quite straight pipe because it still has its resonator and cats, but that's sick. Sheesh.